वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टैली एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 13 जो कि बीबीए, बीकॉम, एमबीए, एमकॉम और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जिनमें टैली के रिगार्डिंग एमसीक्यूज पूछे जाते हैं उन सबके लिए ये इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज लेक्चर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is inventory entries are done using contra voucher, payment voucher, delivery note, receipt note, General voucher. So here the correct answer is delivery note या फिर receipt note. C is the correct answer. Next question number 2 is tele security features that restrict unauthorized access is called data lock, user management, tele vault, admin lock. So here the correct answer is tele security feature that restrict unauthorized access is called tele vault. C is the correct answer. Next question is which report in tele shows a summary of all ledger balances? Daybook, trial balance, cash flow, inventory summary. So here the correct answer is B, trial balance. Next question is Tele Vault password is used to lock company features, encrypt company data, track user login, limit voucher creation. So here the correct answer is encrypt company data. B is the correct answer. Next question is to enable GST in Tele, the first step is to go to F12, then GST, enable GST under F11 statutory, create a GST ledger, install GST plugin. So here the correct answer is enable GST under F11 function, then statutory. B is the correct answer. Question number 6 is what is the purpose of the payroll feature in Tally? Maintain inventory, process employee salaries and compliance, track sales, maintain cash flow. So here the correct answer is process employee salaries and compliance. B is the correct answer. Question number 7 is which of the following voucher type is used for recording interest, adjustments, payment, receipt, journal, memo? So इसमें से कौन सी वाउचर टाइप है जो रिकॉर्ड की जाती है इंटरेस्ट एडजस्टमेंट्स के लिए? दैट इज journal. C is the correct answer. Next question is how can you alter a company in Teleprime? Alt plus K, Alt plus Control plus A, F1, Alt plus F3. So for altering, option A is correct. Alt plus K, then alter. Question number 9 is which report shows the movement of cash and bank balance over a period? Profit and loss, cash flow statement, trial balance, day book. So here the correct answer is B, cash flow statement. Next question is to enter bank details of a company, you should go to ledger creation, F12 configuration, company creation or alteration screen, statutory info. So here the correct answer is C, company creation alteration screen. Question number 11 is which group does salaries expense belongs to? Direct expense, indirect expense, current liabilities, capital account. So here the correct answer is indirect expenses. B is the correct answer. Next question is in Tally, stock valuation method like FIFO or LIFO can be set in accounting features, company info, F12 inventory configuration, ledger creation. So here the correct answer is F12 inventory configuration. C is the correct answer. Question number 13 is shortcut for exporting reports in Teleprime is Control plus E, Alt plus E, Control plus O, Alt plus O. So here the correct answer is A, Control plus E. Question number 14 is which voucher is used to record accrued expenses? Payment, receipt, journal, contra. So here the correct answer is C, journal voucher. Question number 15 is Tally shortcut for quitting the application is ISAC, ESC, Alt plus Q, Control plus Q, Control plus Alt plus Q. So here the correct answer is C, Control plus Q. This is a bonus question for you. You have to answer this question in the comment section below. The question is which group does rent received belongs to? Indirect income, direct income, indirect expenses, capital income. So here the correct answer is इनडायरेक्ट ओ मैंने इनडायरेक्ट तो बताया, मैंने आपको बताना कि इनकम है या एक्सपेंस है, ए है या सी है. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share this lecture and comment down below the answer. And subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce Academy.